我呢度裝修計埋，用咗幾廿萬，你打算點賠啊？
喂，林太，你唔好獅子開大口喎。
You may find yourself involved in a building management dispute like these two neighbours.
離婚啦！我要個仔跟我。
唔得啊！我仔做乜要跟你啊？
Or arguing over who gets custody of the children during divorce proceedings.
你唔找數啊嘛？我實告到你甩褲㗎。
Or entangled in a business dispute. Tempers flare, and oftentimes the first thought that springs to mind is going to court. Eva Chu is the managing director of a small business which designs and produces umbrellas. Last year, her company received an order to produce 5,000 umbrellas. But when the firm was ready to deliver the products, the client informed them that they were not satisfied with the type of finish used on the umbrellas and refused to accept the order.
The client would not compromise. What's more, they wanted compensation for any losses arising from late delivery and the cost of potential litigation. I was feeling so helpless when a friend told me about mediation as a means to resolve a commercial dispute.
It took a few hours of mediation, but Ms. Chu did eventually sign a mutually acceptable agreement with her client.
Using mediation to solve a dispute not only saves money, but is also efficient. Long-term cooperation with clients is important for business. I hope to maintain a good relationship with them so that they will order new products from us in the future.
Mediation is a voluntary process in which a trained and impartial third person, the mediator, helps both parties reach an amicable settlement. There are more than 2,000 mediators in Hong Kong. Amarantha Yip is one of them, and she specialises in family mediation.
I am a social worker by profession, and I am the first batch of family mediators.
Ms. Yip notes that a vast majority of family mediation cases involve divorcing couples. The mediator first assesses if the marriage has irretrievably broken down, then checks if the couple is willing to go through mediation. Cases involving domestic abuse are not suitable for this process, as a party's decision to enter into a settlement may be unduly influenced. For divorcing couples, major disputes usually concern housing, division of assets, and child custody.
What issues to be discussed are decided by the couple themselves. The issues include the childcare arrangement and maintenance, like the property, or how to handle something valuable to them, like their pets, maybe some gifts from parents. We will come to an agreement that they are satisfied with in a way, or they can live with or accept it.
She added that mediation can minimize the negative impact a divorce can have on a couple's children.
A very detailed parenting plan can be worked out through mediation. The most valuable thing is that I can see the parents, they can still be called co-parenting. They still being the father and the mother of the child, even the marriage break down.
The Judiciary established the Mediation Information Office at the High Court building in 2010 to help people understand the nature of mediation and how it can help resolve their disputes.
Educating the parties about the nature and advantages of mediation will certainly increase the parties' confidence to attempt it. The more they understood, the higher their motivation, and it will lead to a higher success rate. So we organize the information section regularly, free of charge, for the interested parties to attend.
Mediation is less expensive than a typical lawsuit. Employing a mediator costs less than hiring a lawyer, and combined with a quicker turnaround, the parties end up paying less money over a shorter period of time. Ms. Lam noted that in Hong Kong last year, it took an average of 5 hours to reach a partial or full agreement.
In the year of 2014, the average cost per case with full agreements is 18,400. And don't forget, it's shared by both parties. It's about 9,000 something. So compared to litigating costs, it's much lower. And also the average hour used in mediation is about 5 hours in 2014.
According to Judiciary figures, the mediation settlement rate at the Court of First Instance is on the rise, jumping from 46% in 2012 to 65% last year.